As Guyana tries to recover from the tragic helicopter crash involving five of its brave servicemen, the Ministry of Health is no different. The Minister of Health, Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony, along with other cabinet members, paid their last respects to the late Lieutenant Colonel Michael Charles at the funeral service held at the Permanent Garden. The four other soldiers will be laid to rest on Friday and will be given a national send-off. On Tuesday, Minister Anthony attended the opening ceremony of the Texila American University's 4th International Conference at Deer Providence campus. This two-day conference themed Communicable Diseases in the Caribbean, Regional Update and Recent Advances aims to raise awareness among healthcare providers, consumers, and stakeholders about the pervasiveness of communicable diseases, with an effort to find evidence-based solutions proven to be effective in the region. During his remarks, the minister had this to say.
So WHO has set itself a target of eliminating neglected infections from across the world. And they have identified a number of these infections that various countries should be working on. Here in Guyana, we have identified 5 of them, and we strongly believe that before 2030, that we'll be able to eliminate or at least significantly reduce all 5 that we have identified. If you go to the Bible and some of these ancient texts, you would see references to leprosy. The other neglected infections that we want to pay attention to is trypanosomosis. Leishmaniasis is another one. Filaria. The Carnegie Foundation would have funded one of the first programs to eliminate hookworms from Guyana.
Meanwhile, on Thursday, several key officers from the Ministry of Health attended the 9th plenary session of the Caribbean Public Health Law Forum. This session was conducted virtually and was geared at the litigation in the region in the area of NCDs and how policies can be designed to avoid legislative challenges. This activity was also attended by the ministers and chief medical officers across the Caribbean. This has brought us to the end of our weekend review. Join us next week for more updates on Guyana's health and well-being. We wish you a healthy and happy weekend. Until next time, take care.